Good morning, guys. Miss Monique is out here in these streets. Oh, I'm going over there and see the cows. You see the cows over there? I'm going over there and see them cows when I come back. But I'm walking down here to the Wells Fargo Bank. It's probably like an hour walk. But I need this good exercise. Good exercise and off that truck. And guess what, guys? I didn't even see it when I came in. But guess what I'm by? So I'll stop by there on the way back. You guys, just wanted to check in and say, hey, have a good day. Talk to y'all later. Bye.